Man, I'll beat you up. That's a wall. What's a bad plan? I'm gonna die in the first 10 seconds. What are you doing it? Oh, I ran out. Interesting. How come I have to start right in my tail? Hard. Okay, okay, Victor. Building what? Wires? Yeah. Why are they everywhere? Oh, that's a bit of a mashup. Oh, I tricked him. I went into the tunnel. Oh, good day.
Could have ran him.
Crap, I'm already on top of my death. Oh, he's dying already. Boing! Boing! What you get? Oh, okay. What I get?
Another one. You killed it. You killed him by crashing into it.
That was hard.
He crashed into you and you killed it then. If you died.
What you get? People don't understand. Oh, what's this little windmill section? Trying to not hit anything. Come on, let's go. Is there a policeman trying to hide? No.
There's one there.
Is there? That's that place that I went in one time. He told me to get out and then I won. Where's that word? And now I'm at the bus station. What are you gonna do? That would be a wall, no? Can one police car bus me? Shit. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm panicking a little bit. God, I kill him.